Good morning. It is Tuesday, and I'm gonna go big skid steering today. Lots of rain. Canceled yesterday's job. I had a mini skid job and bandit job, doing some dirt work, and just tons of rain over the weekend and a little bit muddy, so postponed yesterday. Took day off, did some scheduling and locates. And then now I'm heading to Boulder to work with Bartlett Boulder. They've been taking down 6 big cottonwoods, so I'm gonna go in. Today should be their last day and just help clean everything up, get all the big wood out, and yeah, so it'll be kind of cool to use the skid steer for a tree job, dedicated tree job. Finally, it was one of the reasons I got it. Just haven't done it yet, so should be pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. Weekend was pretty chill, a little wet, lots and lots of rain. We had tickets to the rodeo, our local rodeo, and it was so nasty we did not go. But yeah, I mean, what do? Didn't want to make the girls sit out there. Grass is kind of coming in. We're getting there. Hopefully it all works. Who knows? So anyways, heading to Boulder. I will see you guys in a while. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope everything's going well. Thanks for watching. Bartlett Boulder. So that's tree 1. That thing's coming down here in a second, and then we're gonna do those 2 pretty big pieces, and then that's all they wanted to do, but I want to do that one today too. So everything is going into the bin provided by Western Disposal. Yeah, we're gonna do some work. Beautiful little job site though. This isn't too bad. Oh, that's a long one. It's like 8:30. Good day. Got a bunch done. Heading home.